morning, my dear children. Myself, Venkatramana. Today, I will class discuss that how to write the chemical formulas. The chemical formulas is most important for chemistry. The easy to tricks how to write the chemical formulas by based on the magic rules. The magic rule or magic number means nothing but noble numbers or noble gases or noble elements. These elements will follow the atoms will be to get the ionization to form the ions. That ions will be combined to form a molecule. How to write the atoms to convert the ions based on the noble gases. For example, if you take here atom plus another atom, A plus B is not a formation of AB. This is called A is atom, B is another atom. A is one of the atom, B is another atom. The atoms to atom combine to form a molecule. Atoms combine to form a molecule. The atoms never combine. Atoms is convert the ions. B atoms also convert the ions to form a AB molecule. The simple atoms never combine. A is convert to A plus, B is convert to another atom B minus to form the electrostatic force between the plus and minus. This is force, the electrostatic force between the two opposite charged atoms to form a AB is one of the molecule. So should be required the molecules is formation means to required atoms is convert the ions. So ions is nothing but these atoms having the positive charge. The positive charge is called as cations. Positive charge is called as a cations. Negative charge is called as negative charge. Negative charge is called as a anions. So any molecule contains cations and anions to form a molecule. The cations and anions combine to form a molecule. Here write these anions. Anion is what sign? Negative sign. Cation is what sign? Positive sign. Dono ko the electrostatic force between to form a one bond. The bond between the formation of two ions. So this is called bond. So the finally AB molecule is formed. So this is called AB molecule. If you take one example, if you take the sodium oxide, how to write the formula of sodium oxide? So here write now sodium atom. The sodium atomic number is 11. The sodium atomic number is 11. Please listen careful, children. Sodium is atomic number is 11. So already as you know, atomic number means number of atoms of number of any atoms having the number of electrons or number of protons is called atomic number. Sodium atomic number is 11. Oxygen atomic number is 8. How the two atoms combine to form a sodium oxide? What is formula of sodium oxide? Sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. What is the formula of sodium oxide? You have to follow the small trick. Here, if you take the noble numbers or noble numbers or magic numbers. Okay, magic numbers. So what is the magic number or noble numbers means magic number. So what is the magic number means? As you know, the helium atomic number is 2. Helium atomic number is 2. Neon atomic number is 10. Argon atomic number is 18. Krypton atomic number is 36. Xenon atomic number is 54. Radon atomic number is 86. These are noble numbers. So helium is 2, neon is 10, argon is 18, krypton is 36, xenon is 54, radon is 86. These numbers is called as a magic number. This magic number have to follow to write easy of the formulas. So now we start the trick. Now please listen. This is called sodium atom. Sodium atom. This is called as a oxygen atom. Oxygen atom. So atoms never combine. Atom is converted to the ions. So this sodium atom, the sodium atom is formation of cations are anions. The sodium is exist in the positive sign or negative sign. How to find? The oxygen is exist in the positive sign or negative sign. How to find? These positive sign or negative sign is based on the magic number. These positive sign and negative sign is based on the magic number. How to write? For example, whenever the positive sign is nothing but cation. The cations, which of the atom is formation of cations? Which of the atom is formation of cations? That is called as a metal. Which of the atom is formation of cation? That is called as a metal. So which of the atom is negative formation? That is called non-metal. Please keep in your mind. Cation means loss of electrons. Cation means loss of electron. Anion means gain of electron. Cation means loss of electron. Anion means gain of electron. Whenever the any atom loss of electron is called as metals. Whenever the any atom gain of electron is called as non-metal. So metal atom means nothing but always exist in the positive sign. Non-metal atom is always exist in the negative sign. Please keep in your mind. So the formula or formation means the combination between cation or metal or anion or non-metal. So the finally molecule is nothing but the combination of metal and non-metal. Now we discuss that now. Right? Listen careful. So the sodium is a metal or non-metal. How can I find? Oxygen is a metal or non-metal. How can you find? So here first now start the sodium atom. Sodium atom's number is easy trick. The sodium atomic number is, I told you, 11. So this 11 is between which noble gas nearer? So here noble gas I told you, helium is 2, neon is 10, argon is 18. Just you take that. This neon ka nearer 10, argon is 18. So this 11 is nearer to 10. So how much variation? 11 ka 10 ka variation is 1 variation. 11 ka 10 ka variation is 1 variation. Please, here variation is 1. Here variation is a 7 variation. So which is the least variation? Here 1 will be there, here 7 will be there. You take that 1 only. So here in the above least variation ka 10 and 18. Compare with 11. 11 ka nearer 10. So whenever less number of this atom, that have to show the positive sign. Which is far away to another atom, that is show the negative sign. Okay. So which is nearer? Neon is nearer. How much variation? 1. What is sign? Positive sign. So the finally sodium, the sodium atom ka the power is +1. Sodium atom ka power is Na +1. So this is called as a Na +1. This is called sodium ion. It's not a sodium atom. Sodium atom is does not having any charge. So neutral, does not having any charge. That is called sodium atom. Here sodium ion, nothing but charge is appear. So charge will be there. So always sodium exists. Any molecules mein, any molecule. For example, I told you sodium carbonate. Later discuss sodium carbonate. Next session mein, sodium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, sodium oxide, sodium sulfate, sodium oxide, sodium sulfate, sodium bicarbonate. So anything of any formulas to exist in the sodium is +1 only. Understand? Sodium chloride. Okay. Sodium sulfide, sodium sulfate, sodium nitrate. All formulas I will tell you later next session. So sodium is +1. Sodium is +1. So this is called as a sodium ion, not a sodium atom. Sodium ion. This is called as a sodium ion. Now coming to this one. So whenever the ion is coming, IUM is coming, that is called as a metal. IUM. See, please understand. IUM, matlab, that is called positive sign. So whenever the positive sign is coming, this is a metal. So find easy. The sodium is belongs to metal property. Later in next session I will discuss what is metal properties. Metal. So the find this easy. Sodium is a metal. Now find the oxygen. Oxygen is a metal or non-metal? How can you find? Same follow. This rule will be follow. Same rule will be follow. Please understand. Here, if you take the oxygen number is 8. Oxygen number is 8. So 8 is here. Take between two noble gases. What is noble gas? 2 and 10. Here helium is a 2, neon is a 10. Okay. Helium is 2, neon is. What I told you here below this one. So what is charge will be there? How much variation? How much variation? How much variation here? Here 6. Here 2 only. Here 6. Here 2 only. So that reason Here 6, so here 2. Whenever the lowest value, how to write in the positive sign is a negative sign. Okay, here nearer, na, far away to positive and negative. Here oxygen is nearer to neon. So how much variation? 2. Here how much variation? 6. So 6 is far away variation. So that's why oxygen power is -2. So oxygen power is -2. Later I discuss you. Oxygen is valence is 6. Oxygen valence electron 6. So oxygen valence is -2. Oxygen valence is -2. Later discuss you what is meaning of valency. Valence electron. So sodium valence is +1. Oxygen valence is -2. So what is atom? Oxygen atom. So this is called as a oxide ion. Oxide, OXIDE, oxide. IDE matlab negative sign. IUM matlab ID means minus sign. IUM means positive sign. Okay, this is called oxide ion. So oxide ion. So the formation of sodium atom and oxygen ions. So both of the formation. How to write the formula? This one most important I will tell you. Now, please one trick will be follow. Here formation of sodium +1. Here formation of oxygen -2. So this is whenever the negative sign is coming. That is called as a non-metal. So how the combination of metal and non-metal? So metal and non-metal combination means the between two charges. Here which sign is positive sign? Here which sign is negative sign? So both of the attraction will be there. So the attraction for bond. How to form the bond means, please listen careful. Now see one thing here. If A is +1, A is a power +1. A is if A +1 B -1. A +1 B -1. Whenever the A +1 B -1 means A power, whenever write this is called as a ions. This is called as a ions. Now how to write the molecule? How to write the molecules? So first one A plus is ions, B minus also ions. How to write the formula means? How to write the molecule means A power B of base value, B power A of base value. If power values will be same, whenever the power value is same, is negligible of the signs. Whenever the power value is same, so A +1 B -1. Power value same means to cancel. +1 -1. So +1 -1 means to cancel. What is formula? AB is a formula. If A +2 B -1, A +2 B -1. Here the values is different. Whenever the values is different, A power B of base, B power A of base. What happened here? Here A, here B 2A, A B 2A, A B 2. Why? Because whenever the one is negligible, A power B of base, B power A of base. So ABT is a formula. This is AB2. So is AB2 type? AB type. This is AB2 type. For example, now if you take A +2 B -3. For example, A +3 B -3. Here A +2 B -3. So both of you different values. That time A power B of base, B power A of base. This is one of the trick. So how to write the formula? A power B of base. What is A power +2? 2. Here B of base. What is B power -3? A of base 3. That time whenever write the formula, the signs will be negligible. Whenever write the formula, that time signs will be negligible. So what is the formula of sodium oxide? Now this is a large time taking, remaining everything easy. So what is the sodium oxide? See, please understand. Here's Na+1. So if you take A +1, like here O -2 means B -2. What I told you now, right now, what I told you, A power B of base, A power B of base. One means negligible. B power A of base means A to B type. A to B type means what is the formula? So Na ka power है B of base value, O ka power है A of base value. So Na to O. This is called sodium oxide. So sodium oxide. Okay, tomorrow next section I will tell you completely. This is one example. Next time onwards, he will take less time. This is the first example. That's why I explained briefly how to follow the AB to type, AB to type. Okay, this follow how to do the easy to follow the magic number. Thank you very much.